Hello guys, welcome back to my workshop. We're going to continue working on the Tamiya TT-02, the Porsche GT3. This is where we left off. We've got the car built, but not painted. In this video we're going to give it a nice paint job. I'm not going to go too crazy into detail because I can't paint and protect my pretty expensive camera right here. And we're going to finish up the body itself with all the accessories included in the package. And then later in this video, we're going to give it its proper first run. So let's get it started. I did not cut the body yet. It's all like it's in the package. You can take little pro tip hack. I don't know the English explanation. You can go and put the body on the car just like this, and then because we have some clearance built into the body itself, we can go ahead and mark out our pins where the body has to sit. This is like the optimal ride height coming from the factory. So we're going to do this, and then we're going to take a Sharpie and mark out on the outside of the body, because there's a clear coat on it. It's a protective coating. No, not a coating. What's the name? It's folie in German. A plastic film, I guess. We have a plastic film on the outside of the car. You can't really see it, but it's on there, I promise you. So you can take a Sharpie and mark out all the body lines where you want your design to sit, or if you want to add some flames right here or something like this. We are not going to do that kind of crazy design. I decided to go for this green Proline color, focus, which I'm going to apply with an airbrush because it comes pretty close to the original Porsche lime green. And then we're going to back it up with black. I'm going to mark out all the parts. I'm going to mark out all the parts that are going to be black or have no color at all. So, like for instance, we are going to see these little hood vents right here. I'm just gonna mark them that this is going to get black color, so I can see it from the inside when I'm working on the masking. To mask the car, you've got the window stickers or the window masking included. These are right here. I don't know if they are pre-cut, but they don't look to be pre-cut. Okay, we will see. And for the rest, like, I want this part right here, the front bumper. This is black in the original car. I don't want it to be green. You can use the stickers which come with the car, but I think if I can work around this, I will. So I'm gonna wash the body from the inside to get rid of all greases, etc. And I'm going to cut it out first. You can't forget this part right here. This is the rear wing, the outer parts of the wing, and the light buckets. These are going to sit in this part right here, where the headlights are supposed to be. I'm not going to bother with some LED kit or something, but I want to glue them in to have a nice touch. These are also going to get black or blacked out. As far as the wing goes, this is going to be green also, and the end parts are going to be black also. So we are going to do some cutting. For this, I've got some tools ready, kind of. Where did I put? You're going to need some special scissors for this. This is a very special tool. You are going to need this for this plastic body. You can use a Sharpie, but there's a high risk that you are going to get rid of some skin. So I see you in a bit when I'm done cutting. So I cut out the body. That took quite a while, and I hope you can see this. I already took my Sharpie and lined out the body parts and lined out where the black parts are going to be. I cannot make it work on camera. There you go. Okay. In the next step, I'm going to apply the masking tape for the windows, and then we're almost ready. One thing I forgot, I have to get into the parts that are not supplied with this masking kit, because there are some engine parts, for example here in the back, and the bumpers, etc., that are not masked with the kit. So I'm going to get some liquid mask. This is some masking fluid that you can apply with a pencil or with a brush, something like this, and you can mask it off like this. You need to let it dry and remove it when you want to paint the next color. So I'm going to apply liquid mask with every surface that is going to be black afterwards, because I'm first, because you paint from the inside, going to apply the green color, and afterwards I'm going to get a black backing after it. So let's get to it. So let's see. At this stage of the process, we are, let's see, I've got my masking complete. You can see the liquid mask from the outside. Got the masking tape for the windows, inside, and everything is ready to be painted. I cleaned it to remove any grease, etc., from the inside of the body. So now we can go ahead and add our first layer of paint. As I mentioned earlier, I'm not going to film this because I don't know how to protect my camera in case of I don't want paint on my lens. And also, make sure you have good ventilation, or best go outside and wear some protection for yourself. So, let's see how far we have gotten. Let's check it out. This looks kind of nice. This is gonna be good. And we have the protective film on it as well. So the real shine and bling bling and what's on comes when you remove the protective layer. In the next step, we're gonna remove the maskings where we want the black paint. So, and then we can go on and insert certain paint. Let's go ahead and remove it. Part of the hobby is messing up often, and more sometimes you have big mistakes where you mess up big time and small time. I nearly messed up this this body because I used the liquid mask wrong. You have to apply three coats of liquid mask and let them dry fully. I only did 1.5, 2 coats, and it's really a pain to remove it. You have to get a scraping tool, and I also used this little body here, a wire tool for electric drill, to get rid of the black of the liquid masking. But I managed to do so. The scratches on the inside don't matter. We are going to fill them up with some paint, and you're going to see on the outside it will still look good. Now it looks kind of messed up and foggy and unclear, but I think I got everything out. So we can apply the black coat. We've got some black paint on the body, and we have one missing part in the back. I mean, it kind of looks great the way it is right now, but we're gonna do something in the back. By the way, the rear wing, screen on top and black on the back. So I first painted it in green and then backed it in black, just like the main body, so that we have the same matching color for the wing and the car itself. So I also did the light buckets and the wing tips. So we're gonna need some red here. and finished. So guys, as you can see, the car is finished. I've added the body to the chassis and shortened the pins so that I can get a more clean look. I actually also fitted some washers made of plastic here to reduce the body rattling, because I'm not really a fan of the rattling noise that the car would else make. So let's see if we can catch some good weather and take it for its first spin. I'm going to be using this 4200 milliamp Z LiPo battery. It's 50C, it's plenty enough. It's a 2S LiPo. So you just insert it right here, fits perfectly. Insert strap on right here, and when we are out on the field, and when we want to go, we just plug it in, and see what happens. So we've got the car finished up. The body is, pretty amazing in green, and we have got 2S on board and some light in the day left. So now let's see if we can capture some footage for you guys and see how well the car performs. We went to one of my most favorite parking lots. We've got plenty of space here, and so let's see how good the car performs. So we're preparing the car. Just need to, so we got the little body washers right here I was talking about earlier. Then we go ahead and plug it in. Then we go and turn on our radio and turn on the car. This is looking pretty good. So body on, put in the body clips. Those body pins are a little pain in the butt if you're got cold fingers like me today. So looking quite good. Oh, it's pretty quiet. But there is some little sound to the car. Oh, it's for the standard setup, brushed motor, it's pretty quick. but it's making a little noise. Handles pretty good. The brake is quite sustainable. It's not the quickest car in the world. It's because we have no brushless system, but it handles very, very nicely. I think this is a solid little fun car. Let's see a full speed corner here. It looks absolutely amazing. It is quite responsive to throttle input. And then, for the price you pay for a car like this, I mean, it's about 120 euro-ish. You get an absolute fantastic car because it does not feel like any kind of toy-like. It's a really substantial, it's a serious RC car. So, yeah, I can't say anything bad about it. It feels great to drive. It's not slow at all. It feels like scale-ish. We have a standard brushed motor, a 2S LiPo, handles pretty awesome. And the looks are immaculate, or fantastic, I would say. You can throw it around the corners. Even some understeer, some oversteering is possible if you really throw it. That's a fun little car. So let's see, the trimming is a little bit to the right. So let's see if we can adjust it. No, it's a lot to oh, that's better. Oh. Of course, we want to keep it on the tarmac here. Oh, it's no, trimming is a little off, so we need to trim a little bit in the leftish. Ah, that's better. That's better. Now it behaves like it's supposed to. This is awesome. So as you can see, the car in its standard form, like it comes up from your local hobby shop, performs great. It's a little fun toy car. It's pretty damn it's pretty awesome. It looks fantastic. It drives fantastic. We're going to improve the car step by step in the upcoming videos, so leave a like and subscribe if you haven't already. Change our tires, suspension, maybe the engine or the motor, and we are going to test what upgrade really is worth your hard-earned money. So subscribe to the channel. This was Knallgas TV. See you in the next video.